Good day, guys. This is how to wire the AC switch of your 2001 to 2005 Honda Civic when using the PNP Duino D17. So this is the wire that you have to splice, this wire. And you have to connect it to A31. So it will be the A plug, and the A31 is at the bottom right. After that, you have to change some settings in Tuner Studio and use the settings. Just to put one wire on the A31 plug, just get one of these connectors from your scrapyard and then lift this tab and then pull out the wire, any wire from here you can use. And then what I did is just splice the wire. Right now the AC is off. I will turn it on. As you can see, AC request is on, AC compressor is on. Now if I turn off the AC, you will see the AC request going to off, and then AC compressor also off. One more time. So that is how you wire the AC switch to your PNP Duino for the 2001 and 2005 Honda Civic. If you're going to use the original ECU back, then this wire that you put for the AC switch, you have to remove this. Otherwise, your AC will not, the compressor will not turn on if you're using the original ECU. So you can put another connector on this side that is removable. So if you just want to switch back again to PNP Duino, you can connect it again.